Are you dreaming of YouTube stardom but wondering if it's possible with just one video? While a viral video can provide a significant boost, sustained growth requires a strategic approach. Here's a roadmap to help you navigate the world of YouTube and maximize your chances of success. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. A single, well-produced video can leave a lasting impression and set the tone for your channel. Content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your interests and the preferences of your potential audience. Consistency is crucial. Plan a schedule that works for you and commit to it. Collaborate and network. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audience and expand your reach. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and expose your content to a broader audience. Leverage social media. Share your videos on various social media platforms to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Utilize the power of platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to create a cross-promotional strategy. Patience and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel. Be patient, stay persistent, and continue refining your approach. Success on YouTube is often a gradual process. Remember, while one outstanding video can grab attention, building a sustainable YouTube presence requires dedication and a multifaceted strategy. Stay true to your passion, adapt to the changing landscape, and enjoy the journey of growth on YouTube.